King of the Road here, back at ya with a brand new video. Today, we're gonna draw Doc Mitchell. We're gonna start at the top center of the page, that way we have enough room. So first, we're gonna draw his nose. His nose is a bit short, like this. Next, we're gonna draw his eyes. They're gonna be drawn in U shapes, except one side will be bigger than the other, because then you're gonna draw a diagonal line going down, from the tallest to the smallest. The line should be going off the eye a little bit, like this. Do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna give him eye bags, so draw some curved lines under his eyes. Go ahead and shade his eyes. We're going to draw his eyebrows next. They're going to go right above the eyes, and they're going to be two simple straight lines. We're going to give him his iconic mustache. We're going to start with a straight line right under his nose. Then you're going to make a line going down this way. And then down this way. We're going to make a pointy part of his mustache right here. It's going to start curving in and then going upward. Just like this. Make a curved line going up and around. Another curved line, and then make the pointy part. You're going to make a curve right here for his mouth. And then another curved line for his lip. Because he's old, he needs some wrinkles, so slap those on his forehead. We're going to go ahead and start drawing the shape of his face. It's going to be about right here. You're going to go up and around, but don't go all the way. You're going to stop right here, because we need room for his head. So you're going to stretch the line over here, because you want to leave room for the face and the back of the head. For the back of his head, make a slightly curved line to connect to the top. Next, draw a C shape for his ear. Draw a curved line going down for his jaw. Starting right here, you're going to draw his hair. He's bald though, so there's not that much to draw. Next, we're going to draw his bandana. It's going to be a curved line like this. Draw another curved line going across his neck. Draw a C shape for the other side of his bandana. Next, draw the knot as a simple circle. Then draw a line through it. Then you're going to draw the pieces that come out. Before we draw the second piece, we're going to draw a shoulder. Then with some curved lines, we're going to finish the bandana. It should make a pointy end. Go ahead and add some detail. We're going to make his arm, starting off with his shoulder. You're going to make a diagonal line going out this way. Don't go too far, erase if you have to. To make the sleeve, make a curved line like this. You're going to start to go up, but then you're going to curve inside. And then you're going to go and curve back out. For his torso, make a curved line like this going straight up. This will be his first suspender. Make a straight line from the bottom of his torso. You're going to draw a suspender. It's going to start off narrow and then get wide as you go up. Then draw a square right here. We're going to add some details to his sleeve. We're going to go ahead and finish his torso by making a line going straight up. His arm is going to start right here and go down. The outer line is going to curve just a little bit. Then close off the sleeve. You can add details to this side too. The other suspender will be a slightly curved line going straight up. This time, it's not going to start off narrow. And then draw a square. We're going to draw his hands next, starting with the thumb. And draw a C shape like this. Then it's going to curve out and go up. Then, his index finger is going to be right here. It's going to go up and around. The rest of his fingers are going to be little bumps. Then close it off. Starting with his thumb again, this time in a U shape. His index finger is going to look the same, just like this. The rest of his fingers will be behind each other. The last finger will go up and around. Next is his pants. Draw a diagonal line going straight down. Draw a curved line like this. And then a diagonal line. Draw another diagonal line going halfway down, and a straight line going straight down. Draw another curved line like this, and then a diagonal line going up into the head. Then you're going to draw a curved line and then connect it with straight lines. Do the same thing on the other side. Next are his shoes. Make a curved line like this, and then a second curved line going up. At the top, make a corner shape for his heel. For the other side, make a square shape, then stop, make a corner, then come back down, make a straight line, and then make a curved line to connect the shoe. Then add some details to his pants. Then add some detail to his shirt. And there you go. That's how you draw Doc Mitchell. Now I'm going to skip to the end and show it fully colored. Here it is, signed and fully colored. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, comment down below what you want to see me draw next.